Artists. So here's how you're going to make a Google site. If you haven't made one yet, add a page and start posting things to share during this quarantine. So first thing you're going to do, go to sites.google.com, sites dot google.com, nothing else, just sites.google.com. When you go to sites.google.com, it's going to bring up any site that you already have. If you do not have a site yet, you're going to create one in new sites. If you have one in old sites, forget about it. Just make the new one. We're going to move forward, for now at least. So it's going to bring up this nice thing. You're going to title your site. So I'm going to call this Mr. Slowick's Demo Site. You can call it something that makes obvious sense to you, like your name and art site. If you're going to use this site for something besides art, go for it. If you already have a site made for something besides art, you can just add a new page. For your main page, you're going to click on the page title. This is the part where you can make it just say welcome. You can have it say your name. I'm going to have it say Slowick Art Blog 2020, something like that. If you do not have, if you need to make a new page, then you just simply go to Pages and press New Page on the plus sign, and you call that whatever you want it. So I'll call it, Quarantine Art Slowick, something like that. And there's a new page now. In either case, what you're going to do is you're going to go down into this open space now, and you're going to double click, and it's going to give you this little circular widget. First thing I'd recommend is to do your image first and then text. So for the first day, you're going to put an image of something that your sketch. If you on progressive days, you're going to put other things that you need. So let's see, here's some artwork that I had. So here's a work of art. Here's a work of art that I made. So I will just insert one at a time. Insert. There we go. When it comes up, hold shift if you're going to resize it. If you don't, it's going to crop it weirdly. So hold shift to resize whatever you want. For the first day, this will be your sketch for your project. Then the next posting will be in progress. Then the final posting will be final work on one or more images. Next to that, double click once again. Click on text. This is where you're going to add your basic text. So you say, my plan for my PGP or personal growth project is blah, 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 because blah, 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 blah. You're going to type that all in. When it's time to make a new posting, you'll just scroll down, double click, insert image, double click, insert text again. So as simple as that. You'll update this in just a feed that scrolls all the way through. When you're done, you'll hit publish. It's going to have my site name there. And who can view it? Anyone. That's good. And the web address right here. This is what you're going to copy and paste this address into an email to me, and that's all you need to do. Once you do that, then for the next however long, I can click on your link, and that's where I'll be checking things, anything besides anything that I ask you to do through a survey or something. So I say publish, and you're good to go. If you want to check it out, you can view your site. You can see how it looks that way. It's all good. So that's how to make your site in a basic way. It's how to update it in a basic way. I hope that makes a lot of sense. If you have questions between 2 and 3 o'clock at our assigned times for the high school or for 7th grade or for 8th grade, I will be happy to answer your questions. Otherwise, just email me. I'd love to hear from you guys, and I can email you back, or we can do a video chat, and I'll walk you through it. Wish you well. I miss you guys dearly. I can't wait to see things that you create. I hope this helps you grow. I hope this helps you feel happy as a person. I hope you find meaning in the things you are doing. I wish you well. I love you guys.